Alright, welcome to this tutorial on how to download OptiFine. This is a very fast tutorial on how to download OptiFine because my friends don't know how to do it and they keep forgetting, and then I have to tell them, so I'm making this video for them so they can just look at this video if they don't know. Okay, so where do you start? Well, you go to Google and you search OptiFine. Yes, something like that, right? So you go to optifine.net, probably the first link. You should go to this website. There's a link in the description to this page. Okay, if you're on this page, you click on downloads up at the top here. If you've done that, then you select your Minecraft version 1.16.1 because it's the newest. So then you click on mirror. You don't have to, but then you go through AdFly, which is stupid. So you click on mirror. If you're probably gonna get some ads here, but you click on this download Optifine underscore and then the Minecraft version and whatever. You click on that, then it's gonna load, and at the bottom here you see it's gonna download, and it's probably gonna ask you at some point like, hey bro, I don't know man, is it safe, is it when is it gonna do that? Probably now or not, because oh, there you go. Well, it can't damage your computer because it's Optifine. So you click on keep, right, and you're done, with that. Alright, once it's finished installing, you click on it with your mouse and it should open this little window. You don't have the flowers? Probably not, I don't know. Then this should already be, if you just installed Minecraft normally, you don't fuck with that, it's good. Okay, then you click on install, that's all you do. It's gonna load. There you go. Optifine successfully installed. Then you click, okay, cool. Then you open Minecraft. Ah, look at that. Then here we are in the launcher, and it should already be here. So it should say Optifine with the Minecraft version that you downloaded. If it didn't do that, you go to installations, you click on new, and then it should be somewhere in this big list, probably at the top, as you can see, Optifine 1.16. You give it a name like, oh yeah, okay, yeah, sure, I guess. You go, whatever, you know how this works, right? No, not the, get out of here, Pumpkinhead. Create, and then you have the Minecraft, there you go down here, and you got it, okay, sure, and then you play, and then you got Optifine, that's it, thanks, bye.